Hi, Froggy here. Today I'm installing underfloor heating. Before starting your project, calculate the total depth required. We would suggest a 50mm screed, a design depth of insulation, and your floor finishes such as tiles. Don't forget any adhesive layers required. We strongly recommend adding a further 10mm to the total depth for tolerances. Step 1. Ensure the area to be installed is flat and level. If not, remove undulations with either a self-leveling compound or a sand laid to the correct level and flatness. Step 2. Roll out 1200 gauge polythene over the surface, ensuring no ruts or voids are left. Repeat lapping sides and ends 300mm until the surface is covered. Ensure the perimeter edge laps up with the depth of the insulation to join the damped course in the wall. Step 3. Lay insulation boards onto the 1200 gauge polythene. Step 4. Roll out 500 gauge polythene over the surface, ensuring no ruts or voids are left. Repeat lapping sides and ends 300mm until the surface is covered. Ensure the perimeter edge laps up with the depth of the screed plus 100mm. Step 5. Ensuring the polythene skirt is at the base, fix compressible foam to the perimeter walls, lapping the skirt under the 500 gauge polythene. Step 6. Tape all the joints in the polythene. Step 7. Lay out grip rails from wall to wall, spaced at approximately 1 meter apart perpendicular to the intended direction of the underfloor heating pipes. Step 8. Fix grip rails together to create lengths the width of the room, removing backing tape and stick to the polythene. Step 9. Fix the manifold to the wall in the desired location. Step 10. Using a decoiler, install the underfloor heating pipes at the spacing set out in your design, normally 200mm apart. Start at the manifold and leave a tail 2 meters long before uncoiling the pipe up and down as shown for each heating zone on the design drawing. Do not exceed 110 meters in length of any single pipe run. Return the pipe to the manifold position, allowing a 2-meter tail. Please note, we do not advise fitting pipes beneath kitchen cupboards as the heat may cause food to perish. Step 11. Press the pipes into the grip rail at the desired correct spacing. Step 12. Repeat steps 10 and 11 until the underfloor heating area is complete. Step 13. Connect the underfloor heating tails to the manifold, ensuring you mark the manifold with each room location, for example, dining room loop 1. Step 14. Set up tripods or markers at the desired finished level of screed. Ensure you have enough cover on the top to apply floor finishes, like the tile shown above. Step 15. Check isolation valves are closed on the manifold. Check all circuits, bottom and top rail, are open. Pressurize the system to 5 bar using either an air compressor or a Rothenberger pump connected to the fill point of the manifold. Leave the system under pressure for minimum 1 hour. If the system drops to more than 2 bar, check the system for leaks and make sure all connections are tight, but not over tight. Step 16. Install screed to the correct level. Step 17. Allow screed to fully dry before installing finishes, normally 1 day per millimeter up to 40mm, and 2 days per millimeter thereafter. Please consult the manufacturer's product info, as it may be possible to force dry the screed after 7 days using the underfloor heating. Step 18. Using a qualified heating engineer, connect and commission the heat source to the manifolds. It is imperative you run the underfloor heating through a whole cycle before applying floor finishes. Before applying finishes, ensure the installer tests the moisture in the screed and satisfies themselves on the stability to install their product.